Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about nature animals. You know about a fun fact about a bird called seagull? It actually has a fact. It's the rarest bird and it drinks salt water. Guys, I learned about a lot about nature. Do you learn? Tell us in the comments. Hi. Hey guys, did you know that there are over 60 different species of deer worldwide? Hey guys, did you know that in some countries they hunt deer? It's not good, so don't hunt deer. Animals are our friends. Animals are part of the ecosystem. Deer has a good sense of hearing. Guys, did you know that dragonflies are insects? It doesn't sting. Their life cycle as egg to death is 6 months. Now is my squirrels. Did you know that squirrels are rodents? And the largest rodent is a capybara. That's in the US. Around my house there are so many rabbits and you can see one. When they're happy they jump. Everyone, you should know that you should never feed a duck. This is a mallard and we should save them. And people have been hunting ducks and other birds, and most of the birds are almost gone. We should protect them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.